Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.2 question number 1. Write down a pair of integers whose a sum is minus 7. Let us take a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7, right? Let us take minus 10 and plus 3. Let us take the sum. It is minus 10 plus of plus 3 plus of plus 3. It is coming to minus 10. Plus into plus is plus, plus 3 is equal to minus 7. This is one pair. Let us take another pair. Suppose one is minus 4 and another is minus 3. If we add the numbers, we are getting minus 4 plus of minus 3. And what you are getting? It is minus 4 plus into minus is minus, minus 3. It is minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 7. We have taken two pairs, that is minus 10 plus 3 and minus 4 minus 3. Now question number B. Question number B is write down a pair of integers whose difference is minus 10. Whose difference? Let us take minus 14 and minus 4. Right? If we take the difference, this is minus 14 minus of minus 4. Therefore, you are getting minus 14 minus into plus, minus into minus is plus, plus 4. That is minus 14 plus 4, that comes to minus 10. Let us take another pair. Suppose the pair is minus 24 and minus 14. If you take the difference, you will get minus 24 minus of minus 14. And what you are getting? It is minus 24 minus into minus is plus, plus 14. And you are getting 0, 1, that is minus 10, right? Now question number C. Question number C is write down a pair of integers whose sum is 0. Whose sum is 0. Let us take two integers. One is minus 5, another is plus 5. Let us add the integers, both the integers. Then it is getting, we are getting minus 5 plus of plus 5. Then you will get, it is minus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 0. Let us take another pair. Suppose plus 10 and minus 10. If we add both the integers, we are getting plus 10 plus of minus 10. Then you are getting plus 10 plus into minus is minus 10. It is plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the solution of question number 1 of exercise 1.2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.